Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 14 fractions. So let's discuss homework answers first. Exercise 14C, in that second question, 7th one, 4 plus 3 1 by 8 minus 3 1 by 6. You will get the answer 323 by 24. Okay. Now 8th one, 6 minus 3 1 by 2 minus 2 1 by 5. The answer is 3 by 10. Then 9th one, 1 5 by 8 minus 2 1 by 6 plus 3 3 by 4. The answer 3 5 by 24. 10th one, 3 1 by 2 plus 1 2 by 3 minus 2 1 by 4. The answer is 2 11 by 12. Next, exercise 14D, in that first question, 7th one, 3 by 7 into 5 by 9 into 4 1 by 5. The answer is 1. Next, 8th one, 1 1 by 3 into 1 2 by 7 of 1 1 by 4. The answer is 2 1 by 7. Next, second question, in that fifth one, 2 1 by 3 division 1 3 by 4. You will get the answer 1 1 by 3. And sixth one, 2 2 by 3 into 3 1 by 2 division 2 4 by 9. The answer is 3 9 by 11. Next, exercise 14D, third question. Simplify. In that first one, 1 by 4 of 2 2 by 7 division 3 by 5. So here 2 2 by 7. This is a mixed fraction. So first convert 2 2 by 7 to improper fraction. Okay. So you can rewrite the question as 1 by 4 of 2 2 by 7. On converting to improper fraction, what you will get? 7 into 2 14. 14 plus 2 16 by 7 division 3 by 5. So 1 by 4 of 16 by 7 division 3 by 5. While simplifying this expression, you need to follow BODMAS rule. BODMAS, you know about this. B for bracket, O of, then D division, M multiplication, A addition and S subtraction. So while simplifying an expression, you have to follow this order. First bracket, then of, then division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. In this order, you need to simplify an equation. Okay. So 1 by 4 of 16 by 7 division 3 by 5. So first you solve this of. Okay. 1 by 4 of 16 by 7. That means 1 by 4 into 16 by 7 it is. Okay. Then division 3 by 5. Now 1 by 4 into 16 by 7. This you can do first. Okay. So 16 and 4 will go in 4. So 16 division 4 it is 4 and 4 division 4 it is 1. Okay. So what you will get on solving? 1 by 1 into 4 by 7. You will get a 4 by 7 division 3 by 5. Okay. First you have to solve this of part, 1 by 4 of 16 by 7. So in place of we will put multiplication sign. Okay. So 1 by 4 into 16 by 7. On solving this, you will get 4 by 7. So 4 by 7 division 3 by 5. Now how can you do the division of two fractions? First write this is the dividend. So write the dividend as it is. Okay, 4 by 7 itself you can write. So 4 by 7. Now division sign, change it to multiplication sign. So 4 by 7 into, next 3 by 5 is the divisor here. So replace the divisor by its reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 3 by 5? It is 5 by 3. Okay. Now 4 by 7 into 5 by 3 you need to do. So multiplication of two fractions. Product of numerator by product of denominator. So 4 into 5 it is 20 by 7 into 3 21. So 20 by 21 is the final answer. Second question, 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 division 1 by 3. So 1 by 4 and 1 by 3. These are in mixed fraction. So convert these fractions to improper first. Okay, 1 by 4. It is 4 into 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5 by 4 into 1 by 2 division 1 by 3. On converting to improper fraction, you will get 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Okay. Now here multiplication is coming, division is coming. So BODMAS. Following BODMAS, first you have to do division, then multiplication. Okay. So first do 1 by 2 division 4 by 3. Okay. 5 by 4 into 1 by 2 division 4 by 3. How can you divide two fractions? Here 1 by 2 is the dividend and 4 by 3 is the divisor. Write the dividend as it is. So you can write 1 by 2. Division sign, change it to multiplication sign. Then divisor, change the replace the divisor by its reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 4 by 3? It is 3 by 4. Okay. So 5 by 4 into 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. Now here multiplication of three fractions. Here also product of numerator by product of denominator. That you need to do. Okay, so what you will get? 5 into 1 into 3. It is 15 by 4 into 2 into 4. 8 into 4, 32 you will get. So 15 by 32 is the final answer. Third one, 6 1 by 7 into 0 into 5 3 by 8. So here one number is 0. So multiplication by 0, you know about this. Okay, any number on multiplying by 0, you will get 0 only. Okay, if any one of the number is 0 means the final answer will be 0. 6 1 by 7 into 0 into 5 3 by 8, it is 0. Now fourth one, 3 by 4 into 1 by 3 division 3 by 7 of 2 5 by 8. So here multiplication is coming, division is coming, off is coming. Okay, so we know about BODMAS rule. First you need to solve off, that is this part, 3 by 7 of 2 5 by 8. Okay, then division, then multiplication. Okay, first convert this mixed fraction to improper. So 3 by 4 into 1 by 3. On converting to mixed fraction, sorry, improper fraction, what you will get? 3 into 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. Division 3 by 7 of 2 5 by 8. On converting to improper fraction, you will get 8 into 2, 16. 16 plus 5, 21 by 8. Okay. Now first you have to solve 3 by 7 of 21 by 8. So 3 by 4 into 4 by 3 division 3 by 7 of 21 by 8 means 3 by 7 into 21 by 8. Okay. So on solving that, what you will get? 3 by 4 into 4 by 3 division. Here 7 and 21. You can cancel. It will go in 7. 7 division 7, 1. 21 division 7, it is 3. So 3 into 3, 9 by 1 into 8, 8. You will get 9 by 8. Okay. Now here multiplication is coming, division is coming. So first what to do? Division. Okay. Then only multiplication. So 3 by 4 into, now 4 by 3 division 9 by 8. So division of two fractions you know. Write the dividend as it is. That is 4 by 3. Now this division sign, replace it by multiplication sign. Now replace the divisor. Here 9 by 8. Replace divisor by its reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 9 by 8? It is 8 by 9. Okay. So 3 by 4 into 4 by 3 into 8 by 9. Here multiplication of three fractions you can do easily. Product of numerator by product of denominators. Okay, so 3 into 4 into 8. Before that, 4 and 4 you can cancel. It will go in 4. 4 division 4, it is 1. Okay, now here 3 and 9 will go in 3. So 3 division 3, here 1, and 9 division 3, it is 3. Okay, now you can multiply 1 into 8, it is 8, by 1 into 3, it is 9. So the answer is 8 by 9. One thing you must remember, that is, this type of cancellation only do it for multiplication. Okay, if multiplication comes means you can cancel like this. Don't do this for addition or subtraction or division. Okay. Now sixth one, 3 by 7 division 1 by 2 of 1 by 7. So here 3 by 7 division 1 by 2 is given inside bracket. Okay. So BODMAS rule. First, always do the brackets. So 3 by 7 division 1 by 2 you have to do first. So division of two fractions, how can you do? 3 by 7. Dividend you can write as it is. Division sign, change it to multiplication sign. Replace the divisor, here 1 by 2. Replace that it by its reciprocal. So reciprocal of 1 by 2, it is 2 by 1. Okay, now 3 by 7 into 2 by 1 of 1 by 7. You can convert this to improper fraction. 7 into 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8 by 7. Okay, so 3 by 7 into 2 by 1. You can do. Okay, this is inside bracket. So first do this. 3 into 2, it is 6 by 7 into 1, 7. 3 by 7 into 2 by 1. Multiplication of two fractions. So product of numerator by product of denominator. You will get 6 by 7 of 8 by 7. Okay. Now of, you can replace it by multiplication sign. 6 by 7 into 8 by 7. So multiplication of two fractions again. So product of numerator by product of denominator. You will get 6 into 8, 48 by 7 into 7, 49. 48 by 49 is the final answer. Seventh one, 1 7 by 8 division 1 by 2. Inside, that is given inside bracket of 8 1 by 3 division 1 by 2. That is also given in another bracket. So as per BODMAS rule, always solve bracket first. Okay, so do this first bracket, do the second bracket also. After that only you can solve this off. Okay, so 1 7 by 8. Converting this to improper fraction, what you will get? 8 into 1, 8. 8 plus 7, 15 by 8 division 1 by 2. It is 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 of 8 1 by 3. It is 3 into 8, 24. 24 plus 1, 25 by 3 division 1 by 2. That is 2 into 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Okay. Now 15 by 8 division 3 by 2 we can do. So 15 by 8 division sign. Replace it by multiplication sign. 3 by 2. Replace it by its reciprocal. That is reciprocal of 3 by 2. It is 2 by 3. Okay, here division of two fraction. Write the dividend as it is. Change the division sign to multiplication sign. Replace the divisor by its reciprocal. So 15 by 8 into 2 by 3 of this bracket also you can do separately. So division of two fractions here also. So write the dividend as it is, 25 by 3. This division sign, change it to multiplication sign. This divisor, replace it by its reciprocal. So reciprocal of 3 by 2, it is 2 by 3. Okay. Now 15 by 8 into 2 by 3 you can solve. This 2 and 8. 2 and 8 will go in 2. 2 division 2, 1. 8 division 2, it is 4. Now 15 and 3 will go in 3. 15 division 3, 5. 3 division 3, it is 1. Okay. So 5 into 1, 5 by 4 into 1, 4. You got 5 by 4 of 25 by 3 into 2 by 3. So 25 into 2, 50 by 3 into 3, 9. Multiplication of two fractions. So product of numerator by product of denominator. So you got 50 by 9. Okay. Now you can find 5 by 4 of 50 by 9. So 5 by 4 of means of you can replace by multiplication sign. Okay. 5 by 4 into 50 by 9. Now finding the product of two fractions. 50 and 4 will go in 2. So 50 division 2 it is 25. 4 division 2 it is 2. Okay. Now 5 into 25 it is 125 by 2 into 9 it is 80. Okay. Now 125 by 18. Here you can divide 125 by 18. So on dividing you will get the quotient 6 and remainder 17. So how can you convert 125 by 18 to mixed fraction? First write the quotient, that is 6, then remainder by divisor. So you will get 17 by 18. Okay, 617 by 18 is the answer. Fourth question, simplify. In that first one, 5 minus 8 by 11 minus 3 by 11. So here bracket is given 8 by 11 minus 3 by 11. That is given inside bracket. Okay, so that you have to solve first. If there is a bracket means always solve the bracket first. So 5 minus 8 by 11 minus 3 by 11. Converting this to improper fraction, what you will get? 11 into 3, 33. 33 plus 3, 36 by 11. Okay. Now 8 by 11 minus 36 by 11 you have to do first. Okay, that is given inside bracket. So 5 minus, denominators are same. So you can subtract the numerator. 8 minus 36 it is minus 28 by 11. Okay. Now here minus of minus is coming. 5 minus of minus 28 by 11. Minus of minus is always plus. Okay. So 5 minus of minus is plus 28 by 11. Okay. Now you have to add these two fractions. 5 means it is 5 by 1. So LCM of denominators it is 11. Okay. So first fraction 5 by 1, make the denominator equal to the LCM. So 1 into 11 you will get 11. So 5 also you multiply by 11. 5 into 11 it is 55. So 55 by 11 is the fraction. Next 28 by 11, the denominator and LCM is same. So you can write 28 by 11 itself. Okay, now you need to add 55 by 11 plus 28 by 11. 55 plus 28, it is 83. Okay, denominators are same, so you can add the numerator. So 55 plus 28, it is 83 by 11. Now 83 by 11 you can divide. 83 by 11. So 11 into 7, 77. Remainder you will get 6. So on converting this to mixed fraction, how can you write? First write the quotient 7, then remainder by divisor. So 6 by 11. So this is the answer. Second one, 1 by 2 division 7 by 8 minus 3 by 5. In that 7 by 8 minus 3 by 5 is given inside bracket. Okay. So as per Bodmer's rule, first you have to solve bracket. So 1 by 2 division 7 by 8 minus 3 by 5. Here subtraction you need to do. Denominators are not equal. So first make them equal. LCM of 8 and 5. It is 40. 8 into 5. 8 and 5 are co-prime. So LCM will be 8 into 5, 40. So first fraction 7 by 8. Make the denominator equal to the LCM, that is 40. So 8 into 5 you will get 40. So 7 also you multiply by 5. 7 into 5 it is 35. Okay, so in place of 7 by 8 you can write 35 by 40 minus, now 3 by 5. 5 into 8 you will get 40. So 3 also you multiply by 8. 3 into 8 it is 24. Okay, so in place of 3 by 5 you can write 24 by 40. Okay, now you can subtract 1 by 2 division. 35 minus 24 divided by 40. 35 minus 24, what you will get it is 11. 11 by 40. Okay, so 1 by 2 division 11 by 40. Division of two fraction now you have to do. So how to do? First write the dividend as it is, 1 by 2. Now division sign, change it to multiplication sign. Now divisor, replace it by its reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 11 by 40? It is 40 by 11. Okay. Now you can multiply these two fractions. 1 by 2 into 40 by 11. So here 2 and 40. These will go in 2. 2 divided by 2, 1. 40 divided by 2, 20. Okay. So you will get 1 into 20. 20 by 1 into 11, 11. Okay. Division of, multiplication of two fractions. How can you do? Product of numerator by product of denominator. Now 20 by 11 you can divide 20 by 11. So you will get 11 into 1, 11. Remainder you will get 9. So converting 20 by 11 to mixed fraction, how can you write? First write the quotient, that is 1. Then remainder by divisor. So 9 by 11. So this is the final answer, 1, 9 by 11. The question, 4 by 7 division 1 by 3 into 2, 4 by 5. Here 1 by 3 into 2, 4 by 5 is given inside bracket. Remember, if a bracket is given means you have to do that first. Okay, you have to solve what is given inside bracket first, then only do the remaining operations. So 4 by 7 division 1 by 3 into 2, 4 by 5. First we can convert this 2, 4 by 5 to improper fraction. So 1 by 3 into 5 into 2, 10, 10 plus 4, 14 by 5. Okay. Now 1 by 3 into 14 by 5 we have to do first. So 4 by 7 division 1 into 14, 14 by 3 into 5, 15. Multiplication of two fractions. Product of numerator by product of denominator. Now 4 by 7 division 14 by 15. Division of two fraction. So how can you do? First write the dividend as it is. That is 4 by 7. Now division sign, change it to multiplication sign. Now divisor, replace it by its reciprocal. Reciprocal of 14 by 15, it is 15 by 14. Okay, now you can multiply these two fractions. So 4 into 15, it is 60. 7 into 14, it is 98. So you will get 60 by 98. Now the 60 and 98 will go in 2. So 60 by 2 it is 30. 98 by 2 it is 49. So the fraction is 30 by 49. This is improper fraction. Numerator is less than the denominator. So you can't divide and convert to mixed fraction. Okay, so 30 by 49 itself you can write. So this is the answer. The sixth one, 3 by 4 division 1 by 6 division 1 by 2. And this 1 by 6 division 1 by 2 is given inside bracket. So you have to do this first. Okay. So 3 by 4 division of two fractions 1 by 6 division 1 by 2. So write the dividend as it is, 1 by 6. Division sign, replace it by multiplication sign. Divisor, replace it by its reciprocal. So what is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? It is 2 by 1. Okay. Now 3 by 4 division 1 by 6 into 2 by 1. 6 and 2 will go in 2. Here it will be 1. 2 division 2, 1. 6 division 2, 3. Okay. So you will get 1 into 1, 1 by 3 into 1, 3. Okay, 1 by 3 into 1 by 1, it is 1 by 3. Now here 3 by 4 division, 1 by 3 you can do. So division of two fractions. So first write the dividend. Then this division sign, change it to multiplication sign. Replace the divisor by its reciprocal. So reciprocal of 1 by 3 it is 3 by 1. Okay. Now 3 by 4 into 3 by 1. Product of numerator by product of denominator. 3 into 3, 9 by 4 into 1, 4. Now 9 you can divide by 4. 9 is greater than 4. So 4 into 2, 8, remainder you will get 1. So how can you convert this to mixed fraction? First write the quotient. So 2, then remainder by divisor. So 1 by 4. This is the answer. Next is 7th one. 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 of 2 by 3 minus 5 by 2 into 5 by 8 minus 7 by 12. Here you can see 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6 is given in one bracket. Then 2 by 3 minus 5 by 2 in another bracket. Then 5 by 8 minus 7 by 12 in other bracket. Okay, so what to do is first solve what is given inside bracket. Okay, always do that. If bracket is given means solve the brackets first. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 6. Subtraction of two fractions here. Here LCM of 4 and 6. It is 12. So 1 by 4. Here 4 into 3 you will get 12. So 1 also you multiply by 3. Okay. So what you will get 1 into 3. 3 by 12. Okay. Minus 1 by 6. 6 into 2 you will get 12. So 1 also you multiply by 2. We are making the denominator equal by taking LCM of the denominator. Okay. So 1 into 2. 2 by 6 into 2. 12. 3 by 12 minus 2 by 12 you will get of. Next 2 by 3 minus 5 by 12. Here also subtraction of two fractions and denominator not same. So make the denominator same by taking the LCM of denominator. LCM of denominator 3 and 12 it is 12. Okay. So 3 into 4 you will get 12. So 2 also you multiply by 4. 2 into 4 you will get 8 by 12 minus 5 by 12 you can write 5 by 12 itself because LCM and denominator it is the same. 5 by 12. I mean 12. Okay. So 5 by 12 into next 5 by 8 minus 7 by 12. Here also subtraction but denominators not same. LCM of 8 and 12 it is 24. Okay. So 8 into 3 you will get 24. So 5 also you multiply by 3. Okay. So 5 into 3 15 by 24 you will get minus. Next 7 by 12. 12 into 2 24. So 7 also multiply by 2. So what you will get 14. 7 into 2 14 by 24. Now you got all the denominators same. Now you can subtract. 3 by 12 minus 2 by 12. 3 minus 2. It is 1 by 12 of 8 by 12 minus 5 by 12. It is 8 minus 5. 3 by 12 into next 15 by 24 minus 14 by 24. So 15 minus 14 it is 1 by 24. Okay. Here of is coming and multiplication is coming. So what to do first? Of. BODMAS bracket of division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So first solve of. Then multiplication. So 1 by 2. This of you can replace it by multiplication. So 1 by 2 into 3 by 12 you do first. So 1 by 12 into 3 by 12 you will get 1 into 3. 3 by 12 into 12 144 into 1 by 24. Okay. Now you can multiply these two fractions. 3 and 24. This will go in 3. 3 division 3 1. 24 division 3 8. Okay. Now you can multiply this. 1 into 1 1 by 144 into 8152. So 1 by 1152 is the answer. Now exercise 14D, do the remaining problems of 3 and 4 as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.